to Allen, Texas, folks. Just north of town, Dallas, downtown Dallas. If you're new to the channel, we travel around all types of cities, states, and towns. Today's adventure, Allen. At the biggest high school in the U.S. I think it's a 6A, like 5,000 or 6,000 students. Crazy. Beautiful day, not a cloud in the sky. We're up here by the outlet mall and the villages. Got your restaurants here, Lupe Tortillas, Lazy Dog. Just going parallel to the highway right now. Look at this. Big old water tower here. Looks like they got some maintenance going on. TAM Hospital of Allen. Okay, so a hospital here. We're going to be making our way to the center of town here. Arby's, Holiday Inn, Taco Bell. Got your usual suspects. Turn it on to McDermott and Central right now. Gas is $3.45. Wow. Okay. City of Allen. Got your Wendy's. Fresh, never frozen. Fitness connection over here. $10 a month. Get your lift on. The Century here. It's Municipal Court to the left. I believe this should be the City Hall. That's where it takes you anyways. Yep, City Hall. City of Allen. Got some voting going on today. That's a big post office there to the left. The whole building. Some businesses here. This is Baker's Pride, Swagalols, D-Bat Baseball and Softball Academy. That's cool. And we're back on McDermott. We're gonna go check out the high school. Cloud in the sky. 70 degrees. Senior Recreational Center. Just saw a winter skate park. Did I see that right? Did I hear that right? Winter something? Rewind that. It's the brown sign. Got a historical marker in a cemetery. That's cool. I wonder what's going on there. 179. I've been down. There's a liquor shop to the left and the right. Yeah, I went bourbon hunting here a long time ago. Pretty cool. Alright. On to Greenville Avenue now, heading north. Gas remains $3.45 on this side of town, next to the KFC and the Liquor King and the dollar store. Planet Fitness, another gym. Give you a good bargain every month. I think they're 20 bucks, 24, $10. I can't remember. This is not the high school here to the right. It's a freshman center. Okay, so that's a freshman school. Goes to show you how big that thing is. it on the left that we just saw. Here's the stadiums. Kind of weird rolling up to a high school that I don't go to. Look at this football stadium, the Eagle Stadium. Godly, thing's massive. Wonder how many fans can sit in there? 12,000. Imagine going to school with 6,000 people in a high school, not a college. That's crazy. My class was 636 when I graduated high school. Can't imagine having 1,200. And continuing our journey north, Bank of America over here, the HEB. This dude really trying to turn. Yep. He probably needs to go to HEB. Okay, cool. We are on Greenville still. And this is just lined with neighborhoods, left and right. Here's Allen Estates neighborhood. Got a big Top Golf, it looks like, way over to the left. The different roofs on all these homes here. Here's another good looking neighborhood on both sides. Silhouette is the name of that community. Go straight, you end up in McKinney. The Fairview Town Center here. Running on to Stacy Road. You have 24-hour fitness. I don't see much of those anymore. I know they closed a lot down during COVID. Jack in the Box. J.C. Penney's, must be the mall. Village. Check that out. Pluckers, UPS store. We got a lot of stuff in here. Armor Coffee Company. Very cool. Stuff in here. There's the Top Golf I was talking about. Big Blue Swim School. It's a cool little town center area. Total Wine, Five Below. place, Home Depot. Cool. Very cool. Kind of a town center kind of thing. All right, see you next time.